Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to generate Treemap chart in Excel. So for this, we'll go in Excel workbook. In this data, in first column, we are having the name of the employee, and in the second column, the salary. We want to generate the Treemap from this. So we will select the data, go in Insert, and here we are having a Treemap. Click on it. The chart is ready. Now the area of the rectangle represents the the amount of salary. More the area of the rectangle, more the salary. So you can see that James area is very small, followed by Ben, Douglas, and John is having the maximum salary, and therefore the area of the rectangle is maximum. The chart elements can be added from here: chart title, about chart, center overlay. Data labels can be added here. So legend can be added right, top, left, bottom. The layouts can be selected from here. The chart styles can also be selected. One of my favorite chart styles is here. So now double click on the chart and you will get the options on right hand side. Click on it. Solid field. Take any other color, the lighter one. Let's say the gray. Gradient field, picture or texture field, pattern field, automatic. We can have the border for this chart, solid line. See, the line has appeared blue color. Its width can be increased or decreased. Gradient line, automatic. Effects, we can have a shadow for this. The size of the shadow can be increased. Blur, angle, distance. We can also activate glow. Normally, we don't activate shadow and glow together. So I'll request all my viewers to kindly refer the previous video in this tutorial to understand the flow of this lecture series. Activate the soft edges. The size can be increased or decreased of the soft edges. 3D format not active. The height of the chart can be increased. Width can be increased. In properties, keep the things as it is. Text options, text field, solid field, gradient field, picture or texture, pattern, no field. Now in text effects, we are having one more additional option apart from shadow, glow, soft edges, and that is reflection. So if the reflection is necessary, activate it. Just a minute, solid field. So if it's necessary, activate it. Here you are having a plus sign where you can add the chart elements. It's the same thing which we had talked about here. It's just a shortcut which is given. The style of the tree map can be changed from here as well as the color. So this was all about how to plot the tree map in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also join me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Link given in the description box.